Nako! May sarili na akong brushes. Yes! Because y'all been complaining bakit hindi ako gumagamit ng brush every time nagme-makeup ako. I don't feel the need to do so. Kasi magaling ako mag-makeup without it. And it's been a long time since I haven't done makeup. Here's our inspo and excited na ako. What would I be look like in the makeup? Purple foundation. I feel like a professional, doll. Blend na natin yan sa mga nag-wonder bakit hindi ako naglalagay ng primer, ng moisturizer. Dami yung extra ay. Sorry na, OA lang talaga. Powder dito sa forehead natin. Okay, let's start. I don't know where to start. Lagay muna tayo ng base dyan. Contact lens. Next up, we're gonna use a darker shade for this one. Yung ginawa niya, meron siyang lines dito. Yeah. Kasi tayo sa contour and this time ito yung gagamitin ko ito. Kinakabahan ako. Hindi ako sanay mag-brush pa kasi. Yung inspired kasi ng pagka-makeup nito guys is Chinese style. Marami nagsasabi sa inyo na mukha daw akong Thailanders, mukha daw akong Japanese. Lalagay lang tayo ng white here. And here. Creepy ko siyang lumbing. We're gonna put white right here. Spread natin yung white na yan all the way here. Same goes at the bottom. Siyempre, agyo, hindi yan mawawala yun. Lalagay tayo ng itim dyan. Eyeliner, pero yung pinamaldita yung style yun. Now we're gonna do it on the other side. I doubt whether lalagay pa ako ng fake eyelash. So pretty! Girl, hindi ako na-satisfied sa white niya. Dapat highlight talaga yung white. It's gonna be way lot easier if kamay natin yung gagamitin natin. Oh, diba? If gusto mo yung ganitong highlight na white, use your hand. Okay? All the way there. Yung sa agyo natin, hindi siya naayos. So we're gonna blend this white all the way here. Okay, lalagay tayo ng shadow dito para mas ma-emphasize siya. You know, the tile should be attempting myself to look like Chinese. Pero nyo dati, yung ginagamit ko pang blush yung kamay ko, tapos yung ganun blend it with my thumb. This time, ito na siya yun. Blush, pero sa nose na side. Before tayo mag-go on sa lip, i-moisturize muna natin yan yun. Eh, bakit hindi ko tinalagay kanina pa? Gusto kong going brown yung aking brow. Try natin mag-experimentation dito yun. We're gonna use this. I feel like sobrang kapal ng kilay ko. Bahala na. Lalagay tayo ng glitza. Somewhere here. Here. Third in here. Also, I just remember, kailangan ko na pala mag-contour here. Yeah! Kasi nag-chubby na ang babae yun. Now it's time for the lips. Just spread it all over like that. Lalagay tayo ng shade na starfish pa na brown. Lip gloss. Wait lang, mag-base lang tayo. Ayusin natin yung hair natin yun. Okay? Alright. Wait, it's not giving. Napansin ko iba yung shade ng lips niyo yun. I did the same thing but different shade, and honestly, that's way lot better. Here's the inspo. Here's the final look. Nako!
We were always a very close. You remember when we were